हुनखे असांजी मदद करणी आहे. He is supposed to help us. ऐं फीमेल जे लाइ हीअं ट्रांसलेट कंदासीं, यानी अगरि फीमेल जी ॻाल्हि हले थी त हीअं ट्रांसलेट कंदासीं, She is supposed to help us. असांखे 5 वॻे मिलणो हो. We were supposed to meet at 5 o'clock. हुनखे अॼु कमु ख़तमु करणो आहे. She is supposed to finish the work today. ऐं मेल जे लाइ हीअं ट्रांसलेट कंदासीं, He is supposed to finish the work today. तव्हांखे क़ाइदनि ते अमल करणो पवंदो. You are supposed to follow the rules. मूंखे अॼु राति पढ़णो आहे. I am supposed to study tonight. उन्हनि खे हाणे हिते हुजणु घुर्जे हा. They were supposed to be here by now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and take care.